and the noun will be in, the pronoun will be in the subject form. It's an adjective way we're comparing. His car runs as fast as a race car. So this is an equal comparison made कि दोनों का कार का जो रेस है या उनकी जो इंजन कैपेसिटी है, to be precise, that is the same. Then comes John sings as well as his sister. So this is again equal comparison drawn. Their house is as big as that one. Their house is as big as that one. So there's again equal comparison drawn. These are all adjectives. The verbs, the adverbs are written on the front. His job is not as difficult as mine. So again जब आपने negative comparison draw करना था तो आपने not को लिखने के बाद बाकी सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन इज सेम कि एडजेक्टिव से पहले भी एज है, एडजेक्टिव के बाद एज है और फिर सब्जेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोनाउन है, दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव. और अगर आपने इस एज को रिप्लेस करना है विद द वर्ड सो, बिकॉज वी नो बाय नाउ कि नॉट के जो नेगेटिव कंपेरिजन हैं उसमें आप एज को सो से भी कंपेयर से रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं. सो हिज जॉब इज़ नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट एज माइन. सो आप सो को पॉजिटिव कंपेरिजन में ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे, पॉजिटिव में सिर्फ आप एज ही लिखेंगे. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू मेक अ नेगेटिव कंपेरिजन मेड is selected, so आपने not के बाद आप so को लिख सकते हैं before your adjective. Then comes another example which is like they are as lucky as we. So this is a subject form of pronoun and this is an adjective, before it as and after it as. If it was a negative comparison, then we have an option of replacing this as with the word so, like as we did here. Now so far whatever we discussed, इसको आप एक और तरीके से भी कन्वे कर सकते हैं सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन को, टू मेक एन इक्वल कंपैरिजन. दैट इज़ कि आपके पास सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट होगा विच फॉलोड बाय अ वर्ब. This will be followed by the word the same. Then a noun comes which is given in parentheses, means कि ये optional है. Then a word as, and then a noun or pronoun, any of the two can be found in the sentence. So just pause your video and make a note of this formula. Now important thing to note is कि the word as high as, which is as followed by an adjective followed by as, means the same as, the same, again height as. So आपने इस adjective को noun से रिप्लेस किया और आपने as को रिप्लेस कर दिया with the word the same. So the same height as means the same as high as. So जब आपने as एडजेक्टिव एज लिखें या द सेम प्रोनाउन सेम फॉलोड बाय नाउन और एज लिखें, द मीनिंग्स आर सेम. माई हाउस इज़ एज हाई एज हिज, or my house is the same height. This high becomes, this adjective becomes the noun. My house is the same height as his. So the meanings are the same. So it's just another way of expressing your equal comparisons, and the meanings have no difference whatsoever.